Okay, this video is going to talk about multi-step equations with the distributive properties. So now we're starting to combine some things that we know how to do together. All right, so we have to be at multi-step equations this year. Last year, two-step equations was enough. This year, we need multi-step. So we're going to be able to do it with distributing once and combining like terms by the end of this video. So steps for solving multi-step equations when variables are on only one side of the equal sign, which they are in this video. Step 1 is you distribute. Okay, you distribute to the numbers inside the parentheses. Step 2, if you need to, you combine like terms. And then step 3, this should give you a two-step equation that you know how to solve. You are good at those. So, my thinking, step 1 said distribute. So the first thing I'm going to do is I can draw this if I want, but the first thing I'm going to do is distribute. 6 goes to the x, and 6 goes to the 8. So this becomes 84 equals 6x plus 48, sorry. All right, so I distributed once. Second step said combine like terms. Well, I don't need to do that because I don't have any other like terms. This is already a two-step equation. So I'm going to subtract 48 from both sides. I'm going to get 36 equals 6x. Divide by 6. I don't have room. 6 equals x as my final answer. All right, so this one's going to be a little bit more tricky because now I'm adding in some integer rules. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to split up inside the parentheses. This -2 is only going to go to the 7v and to the -7. It's not going to go to this because this is not part of my parentheses. So -2 times 7v is -14v. -2 times -7 is positive, because a negative and a negative is positive, 14. Minus 5 equals 121. Okay, so that was step 1, distribute. Step 2 is to combine like terms. Okay, this doesn't look like a two-step equation right now because I have 3 things on my left side of the equal sign. So I'm going to combine like terms. Well, I don't see any other v's, but I do see 14 and minus 5. Those are like terms. So I'm going to say 14 minus 5. So I'm going to write -14v. 14 minus 5 is plus 9 equals 121. Okay, now it's a two-step equation, which you are great at. Subtract 9 from both sides. -14v equals 112. Divide by -14. Again, I've run out of room. V equals positive divided by negative is a negative. 112 divided by 14 is 8. So V equals -8 as my final answer. All right, finish the worksheet. If you have questions, ask me for help.